millions of Cashmere goats are raised across the vast expanses of the grasslands. Known for its exceptional softness, lightness, and superior warmth retention, Cashmere goat wool has conquered the global market, with consumption reaching up to 15 million tons annually. However, it's not just the goat's wool that has made them famous. These goats also produce a rich source of milk, with an impressive annual production of up to 20 million tons. Right now, join me as we explore the Cashmere goats, known for their remarkable qualities. Currently, two types of goats are being actively developed: dairy goats, also known as milk goats, and fiber goats, which are raised for their wool. In terms of reproduction, they have a gestation period lasting approximately 145 to 155 days. Each birth can result in 1 to 4 kids, with twins being the most common. The diet includes natural grass, hay, leaves, and straw. Additionally, to supplement nutrition and energy, farmers often provide grains, bran, and protein-rich foods such as soybeans or sunflower seed meal. Now, let's return to the steps and follow the process of harvesting the wool from the fiber goats. At these farms, the wool harvesting is carried out manually. This tool helps remove the soft, fine undercoat and the long thread-like outer hair. It may not appear as sharp as one might expect, but it is very gentle and does not cause any pain to the goats. The harvested wool contains dirt, oil, and other impurities. Therefore, it must be thoroughly washed to remove these contaminants and soften the fibers. The cashmere wool will be sent through a processing line for drying, and then it is blown directly into a storage bin. In addition to boosting the economy through their fur, goats are also sought after for their milk. Once the goats are in position, workers attach the automatic milking units to the goat's udders and use soft suction tubes to begin the milking process. Goat meat is widely welcomed by consumers. It is carefully processed and cleaned before being displayed on the shelves of supermarket chains. The goat meat goes through processes such as cleaning, fat trimming, and portioning according to the intended method of preparation. Not only is goat meat delicious, but it is also highly nutritious, and it is increasingly becoming a strong contender in the livestock industry, on par with other domesticated animals. What do you think about this animal? Feel free to share your thoughts with us. Thank you, and see you on our next adventure. The trays of wood are placed in a steam sterilizer at temperatures reaching 100 degrees Celsius for a specified period to eliminate bacteria, mold, and other potential contaminants. Once the wood trays have been steamed, farmers meticulously sprinkle carefully selected mushroom spawn onto them and seal them tightly. At the farm, farmers use mechanized vehicles to loosen the soil first, then arrange the wood trays in a specific order and at set intervals. The wood blocks, now unwrapped from plastic or paper, are separated, allowing the red reishi mycelium to better interact with the air and soil, promoting its growth. At traditional farms, farmers use a simple yet effective manual method, wrapping plastic bags around the mushroom caps. The plastic bags reduce the intensity of direct sunlight on the mushroom caps, preventing discoloration or stunted growth. The spores of red reishi mushrooms are their most precious part, often referred to as the heart of this medicinal herb. Each mushroom is housed in its own apartment with fine filters or mesh screens placed beneath to catch and collect spores as they fall. After being harvested, the mushrooms are cleaned, naturally drained in a well-ventilated place, and dried. They are then put into a coarse grinder to crush the mushrooms into coarse powder. The coarse powder is fed into the low-speed cold grinder number 1 to grind it into fine grade 2 powder. Scientific research has proven that calling reishi mushrooms the diamond of medicinal herbs is not an exaggeration. Research has shown that reishi mushrooms can help boost the immune system, support liver function, reduce inflammation, and even have potential in fighting certain types of cancer. Traditional records show that red reishi was considered a symbol of longevity and peace, often reserved exclusively for emperors and nobles in the past. The combination of traditional knowledge and modern science has reinforced the status of red reishi as an essential ingredient in healthcare products. If you want to witness more fascinating complexities, you can watch our next videos here. See you in the next video.